Hello viewers, welcome to the best purchase guide on YouTube. We all know that it's difficult to find the best product according to our budget. To make your purchase decision easier and to save your time, in this video our expert team picked only the finest items for you based on features, manufacturer's reputation, price and actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's get started.
Our number one pick is OPT7 Aura Underglow Lights. OP7T is one of the most premium and higher-end brands out there when you are considering getting accessories like the various underglow lights. Given that it is made of metal, it makes sense that the X-Bright Underglow lighting kit for vehicles is the most expensive and high-end option on this list. This underglow lighting kit for automobiles comes with a total of 4 lights, all of which are made of aluminum, in the package. So you may enjoy a total of 16 colors and 5 lighting effects using these lights. Aura aluminum underbody bars are made with smart color LEDs. Our revolutionary LED design combines micro LEDs of all 3 primary colors into a single SMD. This allows a perfect mixture of color at the micro level, emitting a more pure, brilliant light color. Aura underbody LED bars are built to last. Constructed of aluminum and filled with dense silicone. Our kits are designed to protect against road debris, moisture and anything life can throw at it. The LED connectors are not waterproof. You will need to use heat shrink tube or electrical tape around the LED connectors to ensure the longevity of the lighting kit. Our second best underglow lights for cars is Corjo Underglow Lights. Corjo's underglow lighting kit for vehicles is one of the most potent solutions available. This underglow lighting kit contains a total of 6 lights in the package in order to provide this many LED bulbs. A total of 120 colors and lighting effects are thus available to you when using these lights. Despite being a little on the pricey side, Corjo and its automotive lighting solutions can still be a very practical alternative for the majority of consumers because they provide options that are very powerful. App control, turn on/off, set brightness and chasing speed, everything controlled by your phone, very convenient and easy operation. Dream color with 120 kinds of chasing effect, chasing, skipping, dancing, twinkling. Vibrant colors and stunning lighting effects definitely make your car stand out. 300 LEDs, more brighter than other 150 LEDs on the market. Completely waterproof from the strip light, controller to all connections, make it well protected from road conditions, debris and rain day. The underglow lights is compatible with all kinds of car, boats. Third choice in our list is Unita LED Neon Underglow Lights. The cheapest choice is automotive customization on a tight budget is Unita's Underglow lighting kit for automobiles. Contrary to what you may anticipate for such a cheap alternative, it nevertheless ships with a total of 4 lights. Unfortunately, it simply has a single white color output without any lighting effects in order to keep the price of this underglow lighting kit for cars as cheap as possible. Unita and its offerings are far more economical when compared to the majority of other brands of underglow lights for cars, making them ideal for anyone on a tight budget. The LED rock light pods designed according to IP68 waterproof standard, the die-cast aluminum shell makes lights highly resistant to impacts. LED rock lights harnessing the power of 4 pods rock light containing, perfect for illuminating your undercarriage. Original truck interior lights Cree LED chip, more brighter, longer lifespan for 50,000 hours. LED rock lights die-cast aluminum shell with tough glass, good heat dissipation, light decay, paint dusting aging, durable, permanent will not fade. Number 4 in our side is Etna's Underglow Lights. One of the more potent alternatives is the Etna's Underglow lighting kit for vehicles, which is made possible by its 300 LED layout. You receive a total of 6 lights in the box, which is reasonable given the high price tag. Thankfully, this premium lighting kit also offers other advantages, such as a total of 120 colors and lighting effects. For individuals who desire an even and colorful illumination under their car, Etna's is another brand of lighting items that are well known for being extremely powerful and bright. Special design by adding IC and strip lights, you can control a variety of colors, brightness and chasing speed as you want. Built-in 120 kinds of color chasing modes looks like recurrently chasing, skipping, dancing, twinkling on the strip, give you an amazing visual experience. You also can mark your favorite chasing effect and only display the effect you mark. If you don't want the chasing mode, you can DIY a static color for lighting. If you use the cigarette lighter, please make sure the positive and negative poles at the connection between the cigarette lighter and the controller are separated, or it will cause a short circuit. If you power the strip light by connecting the positive and negative wire on the controller to the car battery directly, please connect the power cord to the position of fog light. For details, let's watch more. Last in our top 5 best underglow lights for cars list is X-Brite Underglow lights. This undercar strips lighting kits have 8 preset static colors, 0.4 lighting effects, 2 preset jump and 2 preset fading patterns. 4 sound active modes, LEDs change according to sound. Pre-applied adhesive tape. Even though this choice is very inexpensive, you still receive a conventional set of 4 lights. These lights provide you access to a total of 8 colors and 4 lighting effects, which is very standard for low-cost options. The majority of the goods offered by X-Brite, including the underglow lights for cars listed here, are fairly reasonable, making it one of the most well-known companies of automobile lighting devices and accessories. Be sure to clean mounting areas before sticking for a better hold. Use zip ties in every opportunity for more security and to tighten up any wires. High-intensity SMD 5050 LED chips. 3-in-1 RGB chips, brighter output, uniform lighting. Enhances the look and feel of your vehicle with brilliant lighting effects. For details, let's watch more. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.